Hey guys, welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. I'm Jack, and today I am back on site at my buddy David's with Pastor Tim and his Evo and my conveyor. And we're gonna try to get this stuff done. We just got here at 7 in the morning. David gave us some good sandwiches, good breakfast, bacon, egg, and cheeses. We're gonna pack the Evo up and shift everything forward. We're gonna get closer to our wood pile. So yeah, come along guys. Let's get this day rocking and a-rolling. I hope you guys are doing amazing because I feel great and I feel like I worked yesterday. We made a mountain of wood, and even though it's a processor, there's still a lot of work involved. What a beautiful piece of property, guys. I mean, just look at the blanket of a cloud cover today. This is a wonderful planet we live on. Thank you, Lord, for another day. That's all I have to say right now. We went ahead and moved the conveyor up, and that way the Evo can back right into the conveyor here. And we are closer to our log pile, and we're just gonna start a new pile here and go from there. Tim's got the old Evo fueled up. He's on his way back in now. Man, it's a beautiful machine. And I tell you guys, after running that thing all day yesterday, and I ran it a good bit. I probably ran it 3-4 hours yesterday. That might be something I'd want. Touchdown Cowboys. So guys, Eastonmade does have a hitch here on the bottom, and Firewood at the furnace, Brad has his on there. Tim wasn't able to get his fabbed up, but you can actually couple these together to where you have, you know, one unit here, right there with that pintle hitch here. Tim just didn't have time to get his set up before we started this job. Tim's a pastor. He's a great member of the community. He is always helping somebody, so his time is limited. If he would have said something, I would have just welded the thing and got it ready for him.
Morning.
But yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna set you down so I can help get set up, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling again.
I guess it's too late now. What's up, Bob? I don't know if you wanted them
I
under
think
or
we're
something.
good.
Okay.
Yeah, because we're not going to move it if we could do like we did yesterday.
The only thing I do is want to do the hickory.
Well, we're going to have to move the whole thing.
Right.
You're just going to make another hickory pop.
This was the pile that we did on Friday over here of the oak. And you can see that the grizzly bars did their job and kind of pushed a lot of the trash right here to this side. And then we had the tractor just continuously pushing this pile all day long. That's a pretty good pile, guys. I would say that we definitely got through more yesterday than today. This was the pile we just got done. It's 1 o'clock now. We just got done lunch. We just moved everything up here because we're going to process a pile of hickory and he wants to keep this separate. So, Pop's out here moving the sawdust and we got everything moved. We're ready to do this hickory. I'm hoping that we can get this done in the next, I don't know, 2-3 hours. Still good couple cords here. I'm probably gonna say that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably 4.5 cord here. There might be more. I don't know. It's hard to judge it in log length. I'm probably gonna say there might be 4. Let's see. Yeah, there's probably 4.5, 5 cord here. Maybe more. I'm probably completely wrong, and you guys can call me a JA in the comments. Whatever. I'm not a logger. I just have fun playing with wood. Today we're playing with other people's wood though.
And right here, we decided to blow some type of O-ring, but no fret. Shock trauma repairman Jack got her back together so we can get the job done.
All we are left with is a couple big old nasty crotchy pieces and some bows and bins and a pile of cookies that I'm gonna take home up there. Tim is backing up, getting hooked up to his Evo so we can get out of here. He doesn't know how to go easy on that thing. He's got the brakes on, power braking. Look at that thing, man. That's a nice F-something 50 with 350,000 miles on it. The pile of logs is gone though, guys. This is pretty cool stuff. Some of this stuff over here was gum. This was still some oak and stuff left in this pile, but it was just nasty. So Mr. Dave, the guy we did this job for, set it to the side. Big old pile of white oak up here. This stuff actually might become mine. I don't know if he wants to deal with it. If he doesn't want to, I'll take it and just make a lot of boiler wood out of some of the stuff. But look at what we have created. Big old pile of hickory. That's all hickory that's coming off my conveyor right now. This was the pile of oak that we did this morning. So this morning we did this one right here, and then we did the hickory after lunch. And then this right here is what we did yesterday. Like I said, this is a pretty incredible pile of wood, guys. I'll put a picture in here from this morning when I showed up. If you look over the hill, I'll try to zoom in here. This is just, it was a good pile of wood, and being out here in the distance looking at this photo, it does justice to it. This is, it's a good amount of wood. And I can say there were a couple hiccups. I blew an O-ring on some type of detent. Looked like a flat seal or something. I was sitting there running the thing. I might even have it on a short video. I looked over and all I saw was this fine mist. You can see I covered in hydraulic oil. But that happens, guys. Nothing lasts forever. When you split wood with a processor or a splitter or anything, stuff's gonna break. You have a lot of pressure going on at all times with these things, and O-rings, that's one of the first things that's gonna go in some places. Tim developed a leak in his auto cycle valve. It happened at Hope, but he didn't really take care of it since then. Shh, Tim, I'm sorry. So I had to shock trauma repair it yesterday, but I messaged Andrew, and as always, he got right back to me. He said, look, it's gonna be a bear getting to it, but this is what you could do when it's doable. And I followed his instructions. We got the thing repaired. We had an O-ring set with us. Actually, the guy we were doing a job for had an O-ring set. This guy was an absolute pleasure to work with, because he kept us loaded all day. But we got that fixed yesterday. It was about an hour of downtime because I had to take the whole control panel off and fix a little valve. Again, things break, things leak. It happens. Everything on the conveyor was great though. Nothing wrong with it. But yeah, we are hooked up, I believe. Tim's hooked up. And I'm gonna get the tractor over here. We're gonna pull the conveyor forward past this sawdust. I'm gonna get hooked up. I'm gonna go home and eat something because my stomach's getting ready to eat a hole through me. But take care of each other. Hopefully I can get some decent footage out of this, and we'll see you on the next one.